what's up you guys? It's your girl Judie here with my Life As Kikay and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a haul of recent products that I have bought myself. A lot of these products have been because YouTube made me buy it. Without further ado, before I get too rambly, let's just jump straight into this video. The first brand that I want to share with you guys today is Briogeo. If you don't know what Briogeo is, although I'm pretty sure that by now you would have definitely heard of this brand, it's a brand that creates 6 free hair cares. So 6 free is sulfate-free, silicone-free, phthalates, parabens, DEA, and artificial dyes free. So all the ingredients used in these products are all natural, they're all good for you. And it says on their website, while Briogeo products are all 93 to 100% naturally derived, the small amount of non-natural ingredients they use are solely for ensuring maximum product efficacy. And it basically says all their ingredients are non-toxic. So if you're going to want to apply anything in your hair, it's definitely Briogeo products. I know these ones are a little bit pricier and it's definitely on the higher end sort of hair care, but my hair was starting to be brittle and break, and watching Tati's reviews on YouTube definitely sold me. I think my hashtag for life is Tati made me buy it, honestly. So I picked up the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. This one set me back about $50 to $60. So altogether my order came to about $200 more or less, and that included shipping, but then Tati also had a code that I was able to use at the time. I also got the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So I have already used this a few times in the shower. It's not as bubbly and sudsy as normal shampoo is, and that's probably just because it doesn't have all the chemicals and the sulfates and parabens and whatever else in it, but it does suds up a little bit. There's nothing worse than putting something in your hair and it doesn't suds up and you're like, is that even working? But this one actually really cleanses my scalp and I absolutely love it. It smells so clean and fresh and natural. It doesn't have a strong scent. It just smells natural, really. And then after I've used the shampoo, I'll go in with this spray. It's not aerosol, it's more of just a spray in like an aerosol type can. And it smells so good. It just smells like healthy hair, pretty much, if that makes any sense. So this one actually really works for me. I wasn't expecting it to work. The first couple times I used it, after I shampooed, I rubbed it in my hair and I was like, is that even working? It just felt, my hair just felt so dry and like straw, and it just felt so sucked of life. But then after using this a few times, my hair is just so nice and healthy now. And that also is attributed to the fact that I'm using Halo Beauty Skin, Nail, and Hair Booster. Intensively nourishing. So I didn't buy this recently. I've already gone through one bottle and I'm halfway through the next one. And guys, I was breaking out a lot, but this has really helped clear up my skin. I'm not even joking, guys. I want to do a before and after picture because I took a before photo a few months back, and this has really helped diminish the blemishes and the scars and the acne and the pimples and every breakout that was coming out of my skin. It's also helped my skin feel a lot more soft and moisturized, and so it's not just my face, it's just my skin everywhere. And I think it's partly the shampoo, the Briogeo shampoo, and the mixture of this that's helped my hair feel a lot more healthy, and it's actually getting to be really super long as well. That's that. Anyway, moving on. I also picked up the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. I forget how much this was, but I will leave the website linked below so that you can definitely go check these products out. I haven't used it yet. I'm kind of wanting to get through the shampoo first before I use this, and this is kind of bougie, you know. I just kind of feel like I want to leave it in there, but I know I need to use it before it expires, so I'm gonna get on with that. If I do like it, then I'll definitely be including it in my favorites video that I will film later on. But for now, I've still yet to use this and I can't wait. I love apple, and this probably smells so good. I haven't even smelled it yet. I also got the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask from Briogeo. I haven't actually used this one yet. I kind of have this thing about breaking into a lot of products and then having so many different products open, especially with the more expensive ones. I want to use up one first before I open up the next. And I know it sounds a bit silly, especially if I'm trying out products to share with you guys, but yeah, I know. I'll open it up, I'll try it out, and if I like it, I'll be including it into my favorites video or fails video. But from the reviews that I've heard about this from Tati, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. Another skincare brand that I'm really into is Jericho Cosmetics. Now this is a brand that you really don't hear a lot about. I first started using Jericho Cosmetics over a year ago now,
when I went to Chadston Shopping Center for my Hens Day. So I didn't have a Hens party. I'm one of those people who's like, ooh, Hens party, you know, I'll just go shopping with my sisters and my mom.
So anyway, I went to Chadston Shopping Center and I got conned over I got called over by, you know, those people handing out samples and the guys at the cosmetic stall saying,
"Oh, darling, you're so beautiful. You look like you look after yourself."
They weren't Italian. I don't know why I had that accent. Anyway, they were basically flattering me to get me to buy their products. I said, look, I'm not gonna buy your products based on your flattery of me. I want to try them out. So they gave me a few samples. They showed me the different products. They showed me their product ingredient list and all that. So I ended up spending about $500 at that store. I know. But since then, I've just been hooked onto Jericho Cosmetics. I feel that when it comes to skincare, there are affordable options out there, but for me, because I am a little bit savvy with my money, I can afford to spend a little bit more on good skincare. This one is a Moist Booster Body Butter. I think they have this in 3 scents. There's the mango. What I really like about Jericho Cosmetics is that they have all natural ingredients in them. They have minerals from the Dead Sea. I've got a mask that's got minerals from the Dead Sea and it comes off with a magnet. I should do a video on it. But anyway, I'm deviating. It smells so good. I've already used a fair bit of it. Also from this line of Jericho Cosmetics, I use their Restoring Day Cream. I sort of alternate between this and another moisturizer that I use in the morning as my makeup base. Yeah, I'm really into these products. They also have an eye cream and a pomegranate face peel. It smells so good. It smells like popsicles. I might actually do a video on Jericho Cosmetics because honestly, you really don't hear a lot about it and the products are just too good to pass over. So I'll go in depth on Jericho Cosmetics in a future video, but for now, I'm gonna keep on going. Just keep it moving along. Now, Ofra Cosmetics. This is a brand that I have been using for years. And in particular, their long-lasting liquid lipsticks. As you can see, this one is my favorite one. I think I've worn it in nearly every single video that I've filmed so far. So I'd run out of my red lipstick, and so I did an order, and these are the things that I bought. I think I've gone through about 6 of these. So I got another one, and I also got another long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Veronica. I haven't actually tried this one before, but I'm one of those people who likes to collect makeup. Duh, obviously. So this is what it looks like. That's really pretty. I actually haven't tried this on my lips before, but it's more of a burnt nude, dusty, not really pink. It's more of a brown undertone. Anyway, it's really pretty. I have about 20 of the colors in their line. Just the formula is that good. I haven't reapplied this. I put this on at 6:45 this morning, and it's still there. Moving on. When I did my order, it came to a certain amount where they would send you a little sample bag for free. So I also got this little sample bag, and that's what my vitamin C cream came in as well. And I'm actually really glad that they sent me this little sample because I am loving this cream. This is the one that I have been alternating with between my Jericho Cosmetics Restoring Day Cream and this one is so good, and it smells really nice as well. Vitamin C is really good for your skin, so once this runs out, I think I'm gonna purchase the full size. I think there was a theme to this gift bag. This one is a vitamin C cleanser. They sent me this little sample as well. Makeup fixer, I'm definitely gonna try this out because I like trying different makeup sprays. A refreshing light mist that sets all types of makeup and prolongs its hold even under extreme conditions. Since quitting working in the kitchen, I haven't really had to work in extreme conditions, and I haven't been on a holiday in Queensland in the humid weather, which I would really love to do, but anyway. Ooh, that sort of spat on me. That was just... Oh. They could stand to fix that mist. Kinda spitty. It smells good though. I also picked up their highlighter in Blissful. As you can see, I haven't even broken it into any of these products yet. So this is their highlighter in Blissful. Oh, that's nice. And I also picked up their highlighter in Everglow, and I think this is made in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, and she's the highlight queen, so this is bound to be good. Oh, yes it is. I like the warmer tone sort of highlights, so this one's gonna apply really nicely. It's just so pretty, I kind of don't really want to touch it. What I really like about Ofra Cosmetics is that they're hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested, and because like I said before, I've got sensitive skin, I've never really reacted from any of their products, and they've been fine. They've all really worked for me. That's my Ofra haul. I will leave the links of all these products in the description box down below, just so you guys can try it out if you want to. Now, if you've watched my previous video on my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette collection, you would have briefly seen that I bought these two. I bought the Warrior palette, which is this one here. I cannot wait to dig into this one. Look how gorgeous that packaging is though. That's really nice. The pigmentation and the formula on Juvia's Place eyeshadows are one of the best that I've ever tried. For the quality of these shadows, in my opinion, these should cost as much as Natasha Denona's shadows. Maybe that's a little bit of a stretch, but it's definitely on par with some of the best eyeshadows out there, in my opinion. So yeah, that's the Warrior palette. And I also picked up the Festival collection, which is this palette here and a couple liquid lipsticks. But since I love Juvia's Place eyeshadows so much, I thought I would give their liquid lipsticks a try. Look at this pretty packaging. Look at that. There's these two lipsticks here. One is a burnt orange that kind of looks like the shade of the box. That's nice. It kind of reminds me of a slightly more muted shade of Kathleen Light's Miami Fever, made in collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. So that's kind of what it looks like here, but a little bit more of a red undertone than an orange. This one's a black one. Black liquid lipstick, guys. I'm gonna have to try it. I know it won't look good on me, but if I was ever doing a goth look, which in the history I have done never, but I did want to pick up this collection here. That's my recent Juvia's Place haul. This one's not so much of a recent release, but it's still sort of floating around on YouTube where people are doing makeup tutorials using this palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. I bought this collection minus the makeup brushes. Upon using this palette, when I swatched the shadows, I was a bit like eh, but when I used them on my eyes, you guys, the pigmentation on these shadows are like really good, and I think this palette is only like $15 to $18 more or less. I'll leave the link down below anyway so you can check it out. But these shades are so pretty and so bright. I really want to get back into more colorful makeup, but the older I get, the more I shy away from colorful eyes. I used to wear colorful eyes all the time, especially when I was ballroom dance training. I used to have a new makeup look every time I'd go in for training. But anyway, I deviate. I feel like it could benefit from one much darker shadow than this one, just to deepen out the outer crease a little bit. But other than that, these shades are actually really pretty. See, when you swatch it, it doesn't look like very much. It doesn't really wow me. But when I applied it to my eyes, it's just bam, the pigmentation was right there. It was like,
all right, you put me here, I'm staying here.
And when I used this pink shadow on my eye, it actually stained my eyelids. So just keep that in mind. And then of course I had to try out their highlights. These ones are only like $4, I think. And in my opinion, they're pretty much on par with the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadows. I've got a few of these and I love these ones. They're one of my favorite glitter eyeshadows. But these ones are actually not that bad. These ones are the BH, if I didn't mention before, these are the BH Cosmetics Eyelights, and this came out with the same collection as the Weekend Festival palette. So I'm gonna do a couple little swatches for you because these just are so pretty. I actually like these ones more than the ColourPop Supernova shadows. I feel like these ones are just like putting metallic on your eye, whereas these ones have glitter and these ones stand out a whole lot more. It's more of an iridescent sort of sheen. So that one is the shade Psych. No, it's actually the shade Psych. This one is the shade Gal Pal. I'll do one more. This one is Gnarly. And there's nothing gnarly about that shade, that's for sure. It's showing up green on camera, but it's really more of a... No, it is green. It looks blue in the tube, but it swatches green. Oh my god, in different lights, it's different colors. Can you see that? First is blue, then it's green. Then it's blue, it's green. Then it's blue, then it's green. How cool is that? I picked up all 6 shades of the BH Cosmetic Eyelights. And I really hope that they come out with more in the future. I want them to come out with a black one with silver flecks through it. That would be so pretty. So yeah, that's it for my mini haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit rambly, but I actually gotta go work out at Bolter Fitness tonight. I'm back. I went and worked out at Bolter Fitness. And then when I got home, I'd had dinner, I sat down, I thought, right, I'm gonna edit this video. I remembered that I forgot to show you what I bought at the Priceline 50% off sale that was on just recently. So I'm gonna quickly run through this. I got the Rimmel Insta Set and Go Makeup Finishing Spray. It's actually a primer and setting spray 2-in-1. So I'm interested to try that and see how it goes. Hopefully this one has a nice misty spray. So I hate the ones that just spit on you. I'm nearly through my old one. See, it's very much loved. So I picked up a new one of that one. I got the Maybelline Master Holographic. I'm hoping that this one's as good as the Master Chrome. Let's see if that's... Oh yeah, not too bad. It's not as bright as the other one. I think it's more of just a gentle iridescence. I also picked up more foundation because I'm nearly through. I use this one every day. I picked up a couple of Maybelline Age Rewind concealers. This haul from Chemist Warehouse is probably more of makeup that I'm topping up because this is all like everyday makeup that I use, if that makes any sense. Like the Maybelline Master Conceal. I think I got the wrong shade. Damn it. I got medium to deep and actually a medium. So I might use this as a spot concealer on days when I don't want to wear foundation, but I need to cover up a few blemishes. Then I got 2 lip liners. The Rimmel Exaggerate lip liners are among the best of the best. They are so good. I got a Scandaleyes, Rimmel Scandaleyes in black. Got 2 of them. I got a Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner. The eyeliner that I use is the Maybelline eyeliner, and it's one of those older products that I think they've been discontinued. I'm so upset that this one's been discontinued because I can do a really sharp wing so easily with this tip. So if you know where I can find this type of Maybelline eyeliner, then definitely let me know because I'll buy 100 of these. This is what I use for my eyeliner every day. It's just like whoop, whoop, and you would never believe how easy it is to put on eyeliner, but honestly with this one it's so easy. But yeah, that's my little last bit of the haul. Sorry I forgot, and I'm just like I'll bundle up because it's so cold here in Australia at the moment. So yeah, that's it guys. Bye. So I wanted to keep the video just a little bit more cash, just a little bit more chatty. So if you enjoyed this sort of video, definitely give the video a thumbs up. I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I am too much of a small fish yet at the moment to be sent PR or any of that sort of thing. So all of these products have been purchased by me.
Shade Psych. Say Shade Psych. Say that fast 3 times. Shade Psych, Shade Psych, Shade Psych.